Today I'm going to show you how to multiply a 2-digit by 2-digit number. Our problem today is 14 multiplied by 23. Our first step is to decide how to decompose each of the factors in our problem. I will decompose each factor by place value. Because these are 2-digit numbers, there are 2 place values for each number. I'm going to draw an area model that has 2 rows and 2 columns. There's the outside of my area model. There's the inside. I will then number the first row 10 and the second row 4, as I have decomposed 14 by its place value. Next, I will label the first column 20 and the second column 3, as I have decomposed 23 by place value. Next, I'm going to multiply the first row 10 by the first column 20 to find the product of 200. I'm going to write the product 200 in the intersecting square of my area model. Next, I'm going to multiply the first row 10 by the second column 3 to find the product of 30 and write it in the intersecting square of my area model. Next, I'm going to multiply the second row 4 and the first column 20 to find the product of 80 and write it in the intersecting square of my area model. Next, I'm going to multiply the second row 4 by the second column 3 to find the product 12 and write it in the intersecting square of my area model. The final step I'm going to do in solving this multiplication problem with an area model is to add all of the smaller products together to find the answer for our original problem of 14 multiplied by 23. I will add 200 plus 30 plus 80 plus 12. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 1 is 12. 2, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. My answer to the original multiplication problem is 322. And this is how you solve a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem using an area model.